Hi everybody, welcome to the Manifold channel. We're going to do a very quick video. This is a temporary video to show you how the new merge, clip, and split features work in Manifold. They're wonderful new editing commands, and this is Manifold System Release 9, latest build. And let's do a merge. And the way we're going to merge, let's merge these two areas right here. And I begin by selecting them, then I'll click the one that I want to merge into. This one's going to have the dominant fields. Then I right click on that and I choose merge. And here I can set up how I want to, set up all the different population, all the different fields. For example, population is let's make that a sum and so forth. And we're going to use the selection only, so it's only going to merge the selection. Otherwise, it would merge everything into that one field. Click OK, and like magic, the two fields have been merged. So the two area objects have been merged, and it's that simple and that easy. Okay, let's do a clip. Let's see how the clip works. And what I want to do is I want to create an area right around here. And what that area, what I want that area to be is, well, let's actually zoom in here. I want to create an area here which automatically fills in all these spots, and that's a lot of work to do manually. So let's do it automatically. I'll choose Create Area, and I'll just click here the way I normally would to create an area. Click, 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 and notice that the area is overlapping. The onshore area, and part of it is offshore. So now I'm going to right-click and choose Clip. And in the clip I got a choice. I can keep the inner part, which is going to be the part inside the other area, or the outer part, which is what it is by default, which means I'm going to fill in all this other stuff right there. I click OK, and there you can see how it's giving me a preview of what that area is going to look like. I can continue editing here if I like. For example, I can click here and I can move this like that, or I can, and all this, and Snap works with all these things. So when I'm happy with what I've created, I just right click in the usual way and choose Save Changes. And voila, an area is created, and that area absolutely automatically fills into all these different regions. So that's pretty cool. Now let's do one last thing, and let's do split. And what I want to do is I want to draw a line from here to there, which is automatically going to split all areas in between. And to do that, that's easy. I switch here to using the tracker. And I click here, I click there. And now I right click and I choose split. Actually, I right click up here to choose split so it stays on screen. And when I choose split, it also gives me an opportunity for how I should split this. For example, I can split population to be a split proportional, so that the two portions here and the two portions there get a proportional share of the population. Let's do it that way. And I can choose to split only the selection, but here it's only going to split all those things that it overlaps. So click OK. And well, like magic, the two things are the two areas are split into one area here, one area there, along the length of the line. So that's the simple, quick way of doing all these different commands: the merge, the clip inner, clip outer, and the split. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video. We're going to do more refined videos later, but this will give you just a sense of how quick and easy these editing commands are to use. Thanks for watching, and goodbye from Manifold Land. Well, that was fun. If you want to see more, visit us at www.manifold.net. As always, Manifold delivers the world's most advanced, highest quality spatial products for GIS and DBMS at a low price that you can afford. Once again, that's manifold.net. See you soon.